Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and today we're going to learn how to make a Christmas teardrop. So this is a teardrop. It's wider at the top and comes down. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to add a bow. First thing. So make sure you check out any of our other DIY videos on how to tie a bow. This one I want to do just a red and white theme. So I've come in and mixed red background with the white polka dots, white background with the red, and then I love a little sparkle. So I've added in some sparkly red ribbon. So I'm going to come to the very top of my teardrop, but you can see I'm still going to leave a little bit of greenery, okay? So, and then I'm just going to take my bow, wrap it completely around the teardrop, and I want to pull it in tight so my bow kind of sits down in there. So I'm pulling that tight around on the back. Now, from here, one option is you can take the ribbon and weave it in, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm just going to pinch on the ribbon. And you notice I didn't pull all three of my streamers because I still want some that are coming down. So I'm going to take here, just use part of the greenery and wrap it around. I'm going to tuck that down and then fluff out the bottom. I'm going to leave this one hanging. I'm going to leave the red and white one with the red background on this side. Then I'm going to take these two, put them together, pinch it. Going to try to line up where they poof at the same place. I'm going to twist that on. Then I'm going to tuck it down in there. Now, that adds a whole lot of ribbon at the top, okay? But this is one thing you can do. The other option is I'm going to take all those streamers off, undo them, let them hang for just a minute, okay? And then I'm going to come in and I want to add ornaments and picks all into my teardrop. You can also take and add like a Mr. Snowman. He can hang out in there. And what I like about this one is he adds the little hint of black, and so that gives you a little pop, okay? But what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna stick with my red and white, and I'm gonna take my ornaments, and I just like to go ahead and pull the string up out of the top, and then I like to hide this part of my ornament. So that's a matter of preference. So I'm going to come in, dig my ornament down into my glue pot, and I'm just going to stick it on. Then I'm going to do the same thing with my next one. Now you can do this with various sizes of ornaments, different patterns. You can use solids. I actually meant to put the stripe there, but that is okay. Then I want to take all of this ribbon and kind of weave it in at different areas. So I'm going to weave that one in there. Kind of pull this one around. I'm even going to take a piece of it, cut it shorter, piece of it over here, cut that shorter, and I'm going to overlap those, come down to the bottom because I want some ribbon hanging out of the bottom. I'm going to make the tails come down. I'm going to go ahead and weave this one in. There's no rhyme or reason. You're the designer. It's whatever you like. Got a negative space there, so I'm going to cut this one short and add that in there. And you notice I'm just pinching it, and this is like the birds that we've talked about before. So I'm just going to come in and add that here. And that fills in that space. You can stop here, or you can go one step more and add in fun picks out of the top of your teardrop. And I would add a couple of more. So now you're ready to hang it on your front door. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.